alone. Get it on tonight. Girl, but you look good tonight. Yo, 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 yo. The fuck is good? Tonight. What is going on, everybody? Yo, we're actually expanding to the fucking highs now, eh? At least ES. Low-key expanding to the highs, yeah? How did everybody do today? Where to get it on tonight? Did you guys do good today or what? Where to get it on tonight? Where to get it on tonight? Hey, yo. ES is expanding. Bro said good morning. Yo, how about Argentina? Who the fuck said England? I absolutely smacked on Argentina. I was shitting my pants, though, when England scored first. I was in the middle of my haircut. My barber turns the seat around. Also, peep the fade. It's actually gas. My barber turns my chair around, and next thing you know, I get notifications smacked on my phone. Argentina 1-1. And then Argentina 2-1. The only thing that missed was Messi to score a goal. Yeah, we're actually sending it to previous weekly high on ES. We're ripping it to previous weekly high. Dude, my haircut looks so good. Fuck, bro. Ah. Let's mark off any levels that we have. The only thing that I see right now is previous weekly high on ES, and I see that we're in a 4-hour bearish gap on NQ. It's the only thing that I see right now. I think ES is gonna rip through it. ES is the only thing that I see as a feasible draw. my loving. Like boom, ba boom. Eh? In my life, all in my life. Yo. ES to 7626.25 and then 7628.75. Yo, Brandon. Yo. I think ES minimum goes to these highs. This high here and previous weekly high. Previous weekly high. Bare minimum. Like that and like this. We should easily rip through here. Should cut right through that high. Cut right through the high. Mm-mm. 15-minute even closed above the high too. We should just expand right to this. Should just expand right to that boy. US 30 all-time highs? What? Maybe. Maybe. Yeah, we're in the 6-hour bearish gap on NQ. Low key, if the 15-minute candle closes below here. Also, yo, Apex dropped like a fucking nuke of a sale. You can go all in on Apex for $50 with no activation fee accounts and buy a 5-pack for $245. That's cheaper than any other prop firm right now. Literally cheaper than any other prop firm. Buy 5 accounts, no activation fee for $245. Absolute steal of the century. I want to pass this account in one trade. We got 1,500. So 70. Oh, easy. Let me just take a mini. Yeah, Apex. No, there's SMT inside the gap. There's SMT with ES at the highs. I literally will take this if the 15-minute gives a change in the safe delivery. I will short this if we get that change in the state of delivery. Bro, I watched it at I watched it while I was getting my haircut. Argentina snapped, bro. They snapped. They snapped within what was it, like the last 15 minutes of the game? I feel, bro, England folded so hard. England folded, bro. Yo, the 5-minute IFVG, low key. If you guys want to get, if you want to get involved in this now, you can. Like this is look good. I like how Asia Open manipulated higher, and we manipulated into a key level too. I like that manipulation. All right, now I'm seeing a bunch of people saying all the nasty fouls Argentina got away with. Is that true? Is that true? Did they get robbed or something? Am I missing something? Some dude... This is NQ, yes. Was it actually rigged or what? Like... I'm watching a bunch of videos I see right now. Yes, but England also just parked the butt. What does that mean? Fair. So they applied no pressure just with a 1-goal lead. Makes sense. Makes sense. Actually, no, that doesn't make sense. Ba, 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 ba. Fair. You wanna... It's like being too good at trading and they start calling you a scammer. Fair. That's a pretty good analogy. Beat. Beta. It's obvious what the directors want Argentina to win because Messi is going to retire. That's valid. Their view count is probably going through the fucking roof. Through the roof. Also, it does, like, it helps more that, like, there's all of these streamers that literally go to the World Cup too. Like, there's so many eyes on this shit right now. Ow, what the fuck is that? That fucking hurts. I'm not in a trade right now, but I'm waiting to take it. Wanna party. It's getting plagued with TikTokers. That is so true. That is so true. If you wanna party, if you wanna party. If you wanna party. Dude, I got a fat ass bruise on my fucking elbow. This thing hurts so bad. Ow. Bro, OG just short it. Just fucking short. You guys could have just shorted the 5-minute IFEG. Just short it. Literally just short. You guys could have shorted way before me. Fucking get involved. Get involved if you want to. Bro, do I need to get this looked at by a doctor? I have a big ass bump on my arm right now. You could have literally fucking shorted the 5-minute IFEG. Yeah, Cookie. I'm looking at the 15-minute. I told people to short the 5-minute IFEG, but I want the 15-minute. Yeah, see, even Cookie did it. OG, hit that fucking red button, bro. Just hit the red button. Hit the red fucking button. I'm sick and tired of hearing, oh, my limit didn't get tagged. If my limit doesn't get tagged, I don't care. What does that say? Beep, boot, stop spamming symbol. OG always missing limits, bro. To the flow. Yes, sir. Yeah, it's a 4-hour gap, 6-hour gap too. You could have shorted the 5-minute IFEG. I'm gonna put a limit at the 15-minute order block. Pretty simple. I got my limit in there at 689 and a quarter. What is it? 689 and a quarter. You guys could have been in already. And then, what do I need? There. So if you guys are either in from the 5-minute IFEG, target these lows. Target these lows here. Target anything below. I'm bearish as fuck. I want price to go lower. I'm actually really weirded out by this elbow bump. Fuck. I think so. I must have, bro. I feel like I got a fucking tumor on my arm. Shit fucking hurts. Yo, if we run, let's say I don't get tagged in, oh well. But if price goes to 29.59 and you guys are in the shorts, go break even. Or 29.589. If I don't get tagged in and we just run down to that level low, then go break even. Yeah, bro, I'm not, Brandon, everybody's in from the 5-minute IPG. I just waited for the 15-minute. I don't think I'm going to get a tag, though. Yo, Brandon, we got to sort out, Airbnb for Atlantic City. For, Rufus. You gotta hit me up sometime so we could sort out a spot. Dude, everybody says that about my keyboard, bro. My keyboard is look up, go on wobkey.com. I have the Rainy 75. The Rainy 75. Yo, peace. If you go to my YouTube channel, I have an entire like workshop. If you go to my popular videos, it's my entire model broken down. I break down every single concept that I use in my trading. It's very beginner friendly. Yo, Brandon, don't look at the, I mean, you could stay at the Hard Rock if you want. If I had to give you a better recommendation, I would stay at the Ocean. The Ocean's way nicer. And I'm gonna be honest with you, if we don't get a B&B, then I'll probably rock hotel room too.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm tagged in there. On NQ. And I need 29. 539. Alright, so we're in there. I'm gonna go break even at 29,589. Kieran, look at the 4 hour to 15 minute on NQ. Four hour to 15 minute. Let me bump some good shit. Let's get back. NQ. Back to 305. Can't sleep. Yo, if you want to go break even, go break even. I might go break even depending on this 15-minute candle closure. 305. I get no sleep. Got to get back to 305. Oh yeah, A+ setup. Because I'm shorting the weakest asset within a internal range liquidity pool. Got to get back to 305. Back to 305. Got to get back to 305. So I might need to grab a fucking ice pack. I'm grabbing an ice pack. I'll be right back, guys. Yo, I'm gonna take my stops, and I'm gonna put my stop at that 15-minute candle high. I'm basically going break even already. You guys don't have to do that, but I'm trading fucking trail accounts. So I'm dropping my risk already. So if you guys want to go break even, go break even. Dude, this fucking hurts. Of course, brother. Baby. Nah, dude, I think I fucking smacked my elbow at the gym. I got a fat ass bump on my arm. Break it down. You waiting for? What do you do when looking in bias and there's no key levels? You sit on your hands and wait and do nothing. Or you mark off previous daily high, previous daily low. Watch for reactions at that point in price, or you do session highs and session lows, depending on what time frame you're executing on, honestly. Bum, 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 bum. Bounce that party out. Yo, you guys can partial out at that level here if you want to. Since I'm already break even, you can partial here, or you could do whatever you want. Honestly, it's up to y'all. Just manage your position properly. We're break even right now already. Say ow. Oh, oh, say oh, 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 oh. Break it down. Bum, 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 bum. You waiting for? Is that an emotional break even? Actually, no. It's a pretty responsible break even because I'm trading the Apex intraday trail accounts. So I need, in order to pass them, I need 150 points. So that stop loss, if price retraces and if it stopped me out, my accounts would have been blown to the intraday trail. So I'm going to trail my stops aggressively on this trade. Good 15-minute candle closure there. What do you say, Cookie? What's your runner target? Previous daily low. Previous daily low. Oh, say oh. Oh, oh, oh. OG, you better have entered on NQ. You better have entered on NQ. Okay, good. Down to the bone. Down to the bone. Like the stream, guys. Motherfucker. What did you say? Oh, my dream car? Maybe an F80? Ferrari F80? I'm not really a big car guy. Is it too late to enter? At this point, yeah. Unless you get a 15-minute, unless we get a 15-minute gap tag continuation. My dream chocolate? What? I can't put this on anymore. My arm is freezing. My dream chocolate milk. I guess. Yours is a Wonka bar? A Wonka bar with the golden ticket. Oh, yeah, I mean, it's just going to be a fair value gap. I mean, if you want to get on side of the S&P 500, you can do that instead. Do I take trades ERL to IRL? Yeah, I mean, but they're less high, they're less probable. Like, I don't like them as much. I like those, Vine. Those are beauties, too. We can't get next to this. I'm in an IRL to ERL with SMT type of thing. Because the internal range liquidity pool is the 4-hour gap. And I got in at the 15-minute bearish order block. That's what I took. Watch me smoke to this. Souped up. Oh, souped up. My arm is like numb now. Yeah, so they can't get next to this. Yo, if you guys want like the best sleep of your life, get magnesium glycinate and take it before you go to bed. Deepest sleep ever. You want the music higher? Bet. Reorange cooking. Wait, why? Cal, when do you take it? You should not be taking magnesium glycinate in the morning, bro. You should be taking it at night. You take that shit at night. That shit puts you in the deepest sleep ever. They can't get next to this. Bro, the best sleep you'll ever have. What brand? I just got mine from the Vitamin Shop. Damn, I hope we don't get stopped out break even here. I'm on the 15-minute time frame. Oh no. You think you can run the lows? 12. That's what I would be targeting. The external range low is here. My actual target would be down here. This sell side liquidity pool. This would be my low target. Yeah, we're hoping that holds. Of course, Amanda. You're gonna make me blush, bro. If you die, dun, 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 dun. Cookie, make the call, bro. Make the call. I put a mini in. Make the call, bro. Why do I hate money? I don't hate money, bro. Tell me if you're done. What do we got? Another 3 minutes until 9 o'clock. Let's do Omar. Let's do Omar. Well, what else does Riordan have? Bro, this is my code. That's the funny thing, Miz, or Alex. People don't know that. I am the owner. I just went to the kitchen to get some water while wearing red lens blue light glasses, and I promise I just walk, I just walk straight into a wall. Bro, the one thing that you're missing out of that stack, you need the red light glasses with a nasal strip, and then when you go to bed, wear mouth tape. Yeah, I'll look at it after, Pam. That's the trifecta of health maxing. All right, new hourly candle open. If we smack TP, yeah. Bum, bum, bum. Flush, 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 flush. Flush. When it's on the plate, she the last one of the work punish. Bum, 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 bum. W trade and W music, bro. How long should you hold an ES? Until fucking we hit the draw, brother. Until it either takes us break even or it hits the draw. Whatever that bit want to do. Get info. She the last one to double punch. Bitches talking shit, acting like they can't get something. Last one to throw a punch. Bro, I'm blocking so many people right now. Keep to me when it's time to fight. Wanna throw a punch. Last one to throw a punch. You had gold shorts? Oh, wait, no, I want to play this song. I might start. Check it out. Check it out. A little higher. Just set your alerts, guys. You could also keep in mind, you could keep your stop loss at the original spot, or you could put it at my spot. It's whatever you guys want to do. But I'm keeping mine at 696. Cruise control. And I'm also only looking at the 15-minute. I'm not going below that shit. I actually need my glasses, though. Oh, they're right here. Let me put this shit on. Ah, that's better, bro. That's better. It could come up and create a 15-minute SMT at candle highs. I could see that happening, but I'm okay with my stop. If let's say if I do get taken out break even and we just come up, create an SMT, I'll re-enter. And I'll like flip on the 1 minute. Why do you think almost all good traders are clean shaved? Well, bro, if I grow out anything on my face, it looks like fucking pubes. So I don't do that. And it's just itchy. I hate it. I can't grow out facial hair. And I can't grow out facial hair and it look good. Like, I just can't do it. I literally cannot do it. Shit looks horrible. Yeah, bro. That shit's just itchy. And I look horrible. I can't do it. I will not be able to I refuse. I refuse. Heck no. Yeah, of course, Norris Burger. I love doing these Johns. They're fun. Ooh, yeah. Can I invite you as a guest to E8 Markets live stream next week? You can DM me on Instagram, Angel. DM me on Instagram. Depends on which day, because I stream Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday for Blue Guardian. Tuesday. First time here on your stream, and I'm loving it. Much love, Brody. Like and subscribe to the channels with notifications on. Two-step. Two-step. So fully break even there. It's just a fully break even trade. I gotta have this motherfucker flush right now. I don't want any sort of retrace anymore. I want NQ to cut through this low here. I'm gonna trail my stop slightly in profit. My stop's at that 15-minute candle high at 8:45. Pretty much, I want to see price close below this candle here. I never wanna be. Never wanna be. I never wanna be. I want it to close below there. Hopefully it doesn't wick at it. And, alright, that's decent. I want this to be an order block. I want us to drop lower from here. I want us to flush from here, and I want us to respect this up close candle. My stop is at the high of that up close candle right here, in profit. Wanna be. Never wanna be. Come on, die. Flush. Flush. Can't get next to this. I'm gonna trail my stop even more. I trail my stop to the 15-minute candle high at 9 o'clock. Because I don't want the hourly candle to flip. So my stop is now at 668.75. Be safe, Esko. I'll talk to you tomorrow, Brody. Watch me smoke today. Yo, type ones in the chat if you're in this short with me on NQ. Type ones in the chat if you're in the shorts with me on NQ. Are you guys trailing too? Make sure you're trailing your stops. It's not a bad play. See, actually, hold on. Let me check this shit. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. 909. Revolution. 909. Revolution. 909. There you go. I like how the Dow Jones is also flipping hard too. That's a good sign. Yo, Mastro. Check for Asia news, please. Why is that when I ask about daily bias, I get ignored? You watched the whole video. I've watched the whole video, but I've still struggled. I have so many videos on my channel, bro, that cover daily bias. Like the Holy Grail, draw and liquidity. I have like an unbelievable amount of videos on it. But if you don't resonate with my videos, I would go check out T-Trades channel. Ryan, go on YouTube and check out T-Trades. Watch his videos. It literally doesn't get more beginner friendly than that. Please don't have a beginner trader. I don't understand where is a fair value gap in your trade. Go to the 4-hour time frame, Jimmy. 4-hour time frame. Check the 4-hour. Relatively the same. I think he covers pretty much all topics. Like everything that you could possibly think of, he covers. I think that he's a good outlet. Especially just very beginner friendly. Yo, if we close through the low, I'm going to trail my stop again. Put your hands in the air. This is not gold. This is NQ. Bro, literally in September, daily bias was by far the biggest issue for me. But after looking at the same thing over and over again, I literally... Bro, it'll get to the point where literally you should be able to look at the charts for 10 seconds. And then within that 10-second time frame, you should be able to know where price wants to go to. And if you can't tell where price is going to go in like 10 seconds of looking at the charts, it's probably a low probability day. Like if you have to truly like dissect price, it's most likely not the best day. It should be like, okay, it's obvious. If this happens, then this will happen, and I'll get in there. You know what I mean? Brandon, make the call. Flush it to the lows. Bro, did you just ask if I'm long or short? What? I'm short. Car Meta, look on my YouTube channel. And then also go to 2 Degrees' Instagram page as well. But if you have any other questions about it, shoot me a DM on Instagram and I'll take care of you. Much love, brother. Much love, much love. Come on, flush it down to them lows, bro. You just called Netanyahu? God bless. Or Brandon, just short like another 100 minis. I think that weight will drag price down. I took the 4-hour gap to 15-minute execution on the NASDAQ. Bro. Thanks, bro. It isn't how say what do you do if a pair already hit buy side or sell side liquidity, the other didn't? Yes, I still enter because what you just stated there is an SMT divergence. If one pair takes out a buy side or sell side liquidity pool and the other fails, that's a cracking correlation in SMT divergence in price. And then I look for a trade after that happens. Oh, yeah. Flip side of that is you could trade the lagging asset too. Exactly. Now I'm blushing. I called in my support team. I called in the support team. Task force. You're right. Bro, can they just fucking flush this bitch down to these lows? Come on. Bom, 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 bom. 15-minute candle closure in 25 seconds. This next 15-minute candle should just open up and drop us right down to that low. That was a good closure there, baby. Good closure there. Flush it. Flush it. I mean, it depends on the time frame that I'm entering on. It depends on the time frame that I'm framing the trade from. I framed the trade from a 4-hour gap and a 6-hour gap, so I took the trade on the 15-minute time frame. That's my time frame alignment. So whatever time frame you're executing on, let's say I'm executing on I'm looking to frame a trade from a 30-minute gap. If I'm framing a trade from a 30-minute gap, I'm going to use a 3-minute to execute. If I'm framing a trade from an hourly gap or a 90-minute gap, I'm going to execute on the 5-minute. If I'm using a 4-hour or a 6-hour gap, I'm going to use a 15. If I'm doing a swing trade and I'm looking to capitalize on, like, let's say a weekly candle expansion or a daily candle expansion, daily key level, hourly execution. That's basically what I do. Hopefully that made sense. Hopefully that made sense. Breakout trader? No. I'm playing this again. Too many voices. Turn me up, turn me up. I'm in NASDAQ shorts. I'm in NASDAQ shorts. Come on, bye-bye. Na, 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 na. Bro, I want to see W's in the chat, especially if we want to get a giveaway too. I want to see a flood of W's in the chat for people that took this trade. Fucking spam W's in the chat. Fucking rip through W's in the chat for different giveaways. Fucking spam the shits. Come on, baby, rip the low. Voices in. Make sure that that low, when that low gets ran, guys, fucking partial point, trail your stop, whatever the fuck you want to do. Whatever you want to do. Not even capping. I've been profitable for months since November, trading gold thanks to you, Matt, forever. Much love, bro. My stops are in profit, so I hope your guys' stops are in profit too. My stops are at the 15-minute candle high from 9 o'clock. Invest what you believe, invest what you believe, invest what you believe. Everybody should have stops in profit. Matt, this, according to the high of the week, so far continuous for sell Thursday. We need a pullback right now. I'm personally believing that the high will be set in within the 6-hour and the 4-hour gap that we have right here. Will the high be set in during Asia? Maybe. Or will it be set in during London and we re-sweep higher? I don't know. But I think that we continue at bare minimum to previous daily low. That's my opinion. I think that we go to previous daily low. I think that. Seems like my country number is not accepted in your free Discord. Use a VPN, bro. Use a VPN. Use a VPN and you'll be fine. Trust. Ooh. Not a fan of this retracement. Crazy edge, yeah. You make me down me. Don't own me. Oh boy. My stop is at that 15-minute candle high, guys, at 9 o'clock. The 9 o'clock hourly candle high. Shit, low-key has to bleed from here. Yoku. Bro, I want this thing to fucking die right here. I want this thing to fucking crash and burn. And if we rip through this low, I'm gonna drag my stop and put it at the 930 candle low, or 930 candle high. I'll trail even more. That's what I'm gonna do. If we fucking send it off from here, bro, stops go at that 930 high. See? Give me a good 15-minute candle closure, motherfucker. Give me a good closure. Ooh, I want to play Prosper. Baby. Fucking kill it, bro. The second, I didn't take the second, what's it called? I only took the first one. That's a good 15-minute candle closure there. I can't complain. Now I want this candle to nuke it down to 589. It definitely helped that I got pink tinted glasses and popped the Zen right before. Yo, is it diabolical that I got coffee Zins? Is that a W or no? Peep this though. These are fucking heat. You guys gotta get Dragonberry. Dragonberry. So I literally just popped one. I just tucked right now. I don't mind citrus. I'm not. It's not my go-to though. See, I don't want us to really trade higher from that wick. Like maybe we can come up, take out that previous 15-minute candle highs wick, sure, but then I would want us to drop from there if we're gonna retrace any higher than this point. Nah, dude. I don't know how you guys do it taking Pablos, bro. You guys pop Zins that have 25 milligrams. Are you like, unless I'm just a pussy, bro? I don't know. I can't do it. I literally can't do it. Wow, what a throwback of a song. Holy shit. Bro, get this. So I'm at my boy's girlfriend's crib. Her brother is like a junior in high school, and we're drinking and shit. And then he's like, "Oh damn, I forgot my my pouches or my Zins." And then I'm like, "Oh, you want? I got mine right here. You want one?" And then I was like, "There's sixes if you can do that." And then he goes, "I'll be right back." He says, "I'll be right back," and gets these things that are fucking called Zeus's. And well, I guess Zeus's and Pablo's are the same shit, but the Zeus's are 25 milligrams of fucking of nicotine. Dude, I popped one, bro, and I'm not even kidding. It felt like I literally took a fucking Clase Azul bottle to the dome. I felt like I was absolutely blacked out. I couldn't even stand. I had to sit down. I was shaking and shit. I'm probably gonna get stopped in profit here, guys. Bro, call me an amateur all you want. I don't give a fuck. I'm probably gonna be stopped in profit here. Hold on. They might take me out here.
Stop filled.
All right, I'm rocked out there, guys. I got stopped in profit on the trade. I got stopped in profit there, guys. Still overall, W trade. That's a crazy edge, though. That's a crazy, crazy edge with leaving back those relatively lows. Yo, I'm not kidding. Like, I couldn't see straight. I literally could not see straight. My vision went fucking blurry and shit. I was tweaking. I was surprised. We didn't even run that previous 4-hour candle low. Here's what it is. Is what it is, my friends. W trade either way. W trade either way. How did everything else do? Now I can check other pairs. Don't really see. Gold's a little bit of a train wreck. I still do think that NQ can make it down lower, guys. Jump a little higher. I still think that it can go lower. Is there a 30-minute? There's a 30-minute SMT of these candle highs here. So if you guys are still in the shorts, we just placed it at a 30-minute SMT at the highs. And this shit could probably send it lower from here. If it gives a 3-minute change in the state. So watch out for this. And then there's also, there's a new 4-hour candle incoming in the next 7 minutes. A little higher. For sure. A little higher. Asia session is so much better moves than fucking what's it called? Than New York. I'll tell you that right now. So much better. Brandon, no. New York AM session was like actually making me want to rip my fucking eyes out of its sockets. New York AM session has been so ass. The only bomb that I took this week was I longed CPI. I longed CPI on my fundeds. That was the freest trade all week. I'm not even kidding. CPI, pre-CPI longs, free as fuck. That shit was. I'll even go back and look at it really quick. What was it here? Bro, this was like unbelievably free. First Tuesday. We were in an hourly gap. We were in an hourly gap here. We had an SMT, the previous hourly candle lows like this. And then the 5-minute pre-data release gave a V shape. Gave a V shape here. And a change in the save delivery. Literally long this candle closure here. Stop at the low. And then boom. It was the easiest fucking long of all time. This. And then for a 1 to 2. Like that was this was the freest trade all week. And it was CPI. Even PPI was, I thought, was decent. Is what it is, Shanks. Ladies in the house say out. Oh, say oh. Yo, this shit could still go lower, bro. Yeah. What was that? Down to party out. Yo, low key though. If we close below here, and the new 4-hour candle opens up, this thing could open up high into that 3-minute and then flush it right down to those lows right here. Like literally fucking just an idea. Just an idea. Just an idea. Freedom, bum, bum, bum. Since we got stopped in profit. Leaving behind those relative equal lows. It has to give the change in the save delivery though. Never mind. No change in the state. It did inverse the 3-minute gap though. Did it? Yeah, it did inverse the 3-minute gap. You could take the IFPG if you want. You could take the IFPG if you guys want. These lows are too smooth. Look at YM. YM's candles have literally no volume. YM's candles have no volume. Oh shit. No, you could have shorted the IFPG, bro. You don't need SSMTs. You can do both, bro. I do both. You do both. Did anybody take the short off the IFG? Hold it to the relative equal lows. That's fire, bro. If you took short off the IPG, hold it to those lows. This magnesium is smacking me in the mitt right now. I'm so fucking tired. Please don't bring me down. Fucking fuck, dude. It's literally just from the vitamin shop. Take 4 caps and that shit just rocks you out. Much love, brother. We'll probably give it 3 more minutes. Motherfucker. Oh my god. Yo, Flacco. How we doing, gang? I like the shirtless under the... Brandon, I was getting some weird ass comments on TikTok, bro. I don't even want to show you what I was getting. I was getting some weird ass fuck. These people would be saying some crazy shit, bro. They're saying some crazy shit. It's like gets me uncomfortable, bro. Nah, dude, I'm not taking anything. I took my piece, but this is what I have marked off for you guys. The IFEG, you guys could short either here, short the 3-minute change and save delivery order block. I know a lot of people shorted the 3-minute IFEG up here, but the primary draw is 29,589 on NQ down here. So that is where I am expecting price to draw down to it, bare minimum. And then beyond that, I'm expecting previous daily low at 396.75. That is where I expect price to go to. That is where I expect price to go to. What the fuck bug is that? There's a big ass bug behind my computer right now that I gotta go kill. My indicators, it's just ICT everything and then my forever model indicator. But yeah, I am going to crash out and go to sleep. I am fucking exhausted. If you guys are in NQ, we should melt down to these relative equal lows. I expect further shorts beyond that. I expect us to come all the way down to previous daily low. This should be where we draw into tomorrow. I like how we have that 4-hour gap tag here. It's a 6-hour gap as well. I'm definitely bearish on this entire move, wanting to see price rinse down all here. So that is my draw, that is my bias, and this being low-hanging fruit at 589. But thank you guys for being a part of the stream tonight. Have a great rest of your day. Have a great rest of your night, and maybe we do another stream tomorrow, Thursday night for Asia. But good luck at trading tomorrow, everybody. Good shit tonight. Deuces, y'all.